When it comes to safeguarding your home, most people think of alarm systems, cameras, and locks. However, one of the most overlooked aspects of home security is the front door. In Knoxville, where crime can be a concern and the weather can be unpredictable, door replacement is an effective and often necessary upgrade for improving home security. A strong, secure door provides the first line of defense against break-ins, as well as protection from the elements. Here's how door replacement can significantly enhance your home's security and give you peace of mind. Stronger, more secure material choices. One of the key ways door replacement improves security is by upgrading to stronger materials. Older doors, especially wooden doors, are often easy to break through or damage. Hollow core wooden doors, in particular, are vulnerable to being kicked in, making them a weak point in your home's security. When you opt for door replacement in Knoxville, you can choose from a variety of durable materials that offer enhanced protection. Steel doors are some of the most secure options, as they are difficult to break through and offer excellent resistance to force. Fiberglass doors are another great option, as they are sturdy, weather-resistant, and can be made to look like wood while offering enhanced security. These materials not only make it harder for burglars to break in but also protect your home from natural elements, adding to your security in a broader sense. Better locking mechanisms for added protection. The locks on your door are just as important as the door itself when it comes to home security. Older doors may have outdated or ineffective locks that can easily be picked or broken. New doors come with modern, high-quality locks that are more resistant to tampering and break-ins. For example, many new doors come with multi-point locking systems, which secure the door at multiple points along the frame, making it far more difficult for an intruder to gain entry. Upgrading to smart locks or deadbolt locks further enhances security, allowing you to control access to your home remotely or with greater ease. These modern locking systems provide an added layer of security, reducing the risk of unauthorized entry and giving you more control over who enters your home. Enhanced weather resistance for safety. In Knoxville, the weather can range from humid summers to cold, icy winters, and your door needs to be able to withstand these extremes. Older, worn-out doors are often drafty, which can compromise your home's comfort and energy efficiency. More importantly, they can also be vulnerable to water and air infiltration, which can cause damage to your home over time. Door replacement allows you to install a door that is not only secure but also weather-resistant. Newer doors come with improved weather stripping and insulation, ensuring that drafts, moisture, and wind can't seep through. This enhances your home's energy efficiency and ensures your home stays safe from water damage or mold, which could lead to structural issues. A weather-resistant door is crucial for protecting your home's integrity, especially during storms, which can be common in Knoxville. Improved door frame strength. It's not just the door itself that contributes to home security, it's also the door frame. Old or damaged door frames can weaken the overall security of your entrance, making it easier for intruders to force their way in. Door replacement allows you to install a strong, durable frame that's designed to withstand force. High-quality door frames are reinforced to prevent them from splintering or warping under pressure. Upgrading to a steel-reinforced door frame ensures that both the door and frame work together to provide maximum security. The frame will be much less likely to bend or break, giving burglars a much harder time trying to force entry into your home. The stronger the frame, the more difficult it becomes for an intruder to kick the door in, further enhancing your home's overall security. Increased curb appeal and home value. In addition to improving security, replacing an old door can significantly boost your home's curb appeal and value. A new, attractive front door makes your home more inviting and visually appealing, creating a positive first impression for visitors and potential buyers. If you're considering selling your home in the future, a new, secure door can make it more attractive to buyers who want the added benefits of security and modern aesthetics. New doors also contribute to your home's market value by providing updated functionality and visual appeal. Potential buyers will appreciate the investment in security and energy efficiency, making your home more desirable in a competitive real estate market. Noise reduction for greater privacy. Knoxville's bustling neighborhoods and street traffic can sometimes create noise that makes it difficult to enjoy peace and quiet inside your home. New doors, particularly solid core doors, offer enhanced soundproofing capabilities. They help block out noise from outside, allowing you to enjoy a more private and quiet home environment. This is especially important for areas like home offices, living rooms, or bedrooms, where you may want to focus or relax without distractions from outside noise. Replacing an old door with a high-quality, noise-reducing option can significantly improve your home's comfort and privacy. Final thoughts. Door replacement in Knoxville offers many benefits that go beyond aesthetics. By upgrading to a stronger, more secure door, you are investing in your home's safety, comfort, and energy efficiency. A new, high-quality door with modern locking mechanisms, a sturdy frame, and better weather resistance can protect your home from burglars, improve your home's energy efficiency, and even increase its market value. Whether you're upgrading for security, energy savings, or simply to improve your home's curb appeal, replacing your door is an investment that offers long-lasting benefits and peace of mind.